Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade with ginger. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, ginger root, sugar, and water. You'll want about 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which usually comes from 4 to 5 medium lemons. For the ginger, aim for about 4 ounces of fresh root. This combination creates a refreshing and zesty drink perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this delicious recipe. Next, we'll prepare the ginger syrup, which is key to our unique flavor. Start by peeling and thinly slicing about 4 ounces of fresh ginger. In a saucepan, combine the sliced ginger with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes, then remove from heat, strain out the ginger, and allow the syrup to cool. Now it's time to bring everything together for your delicious ginger lemonade. Squeeze enough fresh lemons to yield 1 cup of juice. In a large pitcher, combine the cool ginger syrup with the fresh lemon juice. Then, add 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are well mixed. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more water or a touch more syrup if needed. Your homemade ginger lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glasses. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even a thin slice of candied ginger. This refreshing drink is perfect for a warm day or as a unique beverage for guests. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home sparkling clean while you relax with your delicious drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.